When it comes to business travel, saving money without sacrificing quality can be a real challenge. That's where Navan comes in. If you've ever wished for a simple, intuitive way to save money while traveling for business, keep watching. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Navan can not only help you save money on your business trips, but also make the entire process smoother, more efficient, and tailored to your needs. Now, if you're new to Navan, here's the rundown. This software is designed specifically for businesses that want to manage travel bookings efficiently while cutting costs. With its intuitive platform, Navan offers a streamlined solution to booking flights, hotels, and rental cars. It takes away the stress of comparing prices, providing you with the best deals across various providers. And the best part, you can access this software for free through our exclusive bonus by clicking the link below. But there's more to Navan than just the price. The real beauty lies in how it integrates with your existing business operations. The platform offers intelligent automation tools that help you track and manage travel expenses, ensuring your team's trips are cost-effective while still being hassle-free. It even includes features like policy compliance, which helps businesses stay on budget and within travel guidelines. Let's talk about how Navan helps you save money on business travel. One of its standout features is real-time price comparisons across different booking platforms. Instead of manually searching through multiple sites for the best deal, Navan does all the hard work for you. This means you're automatically shown the lowest prices available, saving you time and money. Another way Navan helps save is through its partnership with a range of service providers, including airlines, hotels, and car rental companies. These partnerships often give businesses access to exclusive rates and discounts, meaning that you can book travel at a fraction of the usual cost. Navan's system also tracks historical price trends, helping you make better decisions when planning future trips based on past price data. Not to mention, the platform's intelligent reporting system helps businesses manage their travel expenses better. Navan breaks down spending in a way that's easy to digest, so you can clearly see where your business is overspending and make adjustments. This feature is a game changer for companies that need to stay on top of their travel budgets. For companies with employees who travel frequently, Navan's automation features also provide another layer of convenience. The platform can automatically book travel according to preset preferences or company policies, meaning your team spends less time figuring out logistics and more time focusing on their work. So, whether you're looking to save money, improve efficiency, or just make the business travel experience less stressful, Navan has you covered. And don't forget, by clicking the first link below, you can access this software completely for free with our exclusive bonuses. Before you go, let me remind you that the free trial gives you access to all the powerful features of Navan, so you can see for yourself how much it can save you on business travel. Sign up now and start saving. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform how your business handles travel.